Aloha mai kako. My name is Shawn Kahoʻolemana Naone. I am a 6-year sophomore here at Leeward. No, seriously, I am a student here, about ready to move on to Manoa. But I'm majoring in Native Hawaiian Studies as well as social work. Although I have been kind of looking towards teaching instead of social work, I really want to help the homeless. That's my main drive. My art inspired me to do this poem, Wayfinders. I kind of have a parallelism, if that's a real word, with my life and the life of many young Native Hawaiians who are lost and they lost their culture and they have no direction. And that was kind of how it was with the struggle to reconnect with the art of and the science of navigation using the stars, like Nainoa did and all the crew of the Hokulea back in the 60s and 70s with the Hawaiian Renaissance. So it was actually really easy to create that poem, which I did like right there, just by looking at the photo. It took me about 5 minutes, but it kind of really hit home because, you know, too many people, we all know how it feels to be lost, and to be lost culturally as a people. It's a frightening and scary thing, and so when you find your bearings and you gain what was lost, I don't think there's anything that can be more profound than that.